I love how that is a reverse waterfall, and just the reflection in the lagoon looks so great. Gotta love extra morning at Epcot. This whole side is completely empty of the lagoon. So ready to go in there.
We have landed at our reservation right there. So we're heading down the ramp to go eat at Garden Grill. It is humid outside today. Who knew that Florida was hot? Who knew that? Is that like a big secret? No one tells anybody that Florida's hot? Anyways, Robbie is pumped for this, so I'm excited for him.
So Hal, what do you think?
I'm pretty excited. They have hog juice waiting here eventually. Juice from Customer House that you love.
I'm excited. So, Garden Grill spins, as you can see. When we first sat down, we were over there, but that's our view now.
It's moving so slowly that it's weirding me out that we've like stopped and now we're going again. Like, I don't feel like we're moving when I'm not looking at the side, and then I look over there and we're moving.
Look at this dainty little pastry. I cannot believe they gave you such a small pastry. It's tiny.
Oh no, don't look. There's a dog coming up behind you.
Do you want some cinnamon rolls too? Yeah, we're good.
You guys look awesome.
So, come on over here. I'm going to take a selfie with you.
Oh, that's lovely.
Here's your Rescue Ranger shirt.
Oh, he's getting washed.
Oh, it's getting washed up. No worries. Oh, and ironed. Oh, okay.
You gotta look spiffy, don't you?
Yep. Oh,
yep. Nice and fresh.
Definitely so.
Got coffee, and we have pog juice.
What's in the pog juice?
And it's POG, so it's like guava, orange, and I think passion fruit.
Yeah, let's see. It's not the same.
It's kind of the same, but
it is amazing.
I think the one at Tusker is mango instead of passion fruit.
Yeah.
But here's our cinnamon roll, and let's try it.
We're taking a video, Mickey.
So did you work hard on breakfast this morning? I talked to Pluto earlier. He taste tested it. Did you? Is it excellent? Yeah? Alright, well we're excited to try it. We'll let you know.
I gotta ask, so how's it feel to have waffles look like your face?
You like
yeah, we like it too. We love it. See you, Mick. So the little sweet roll is amazing.
It's not little.
I'm gonna let Hallie take a bite. Better than the Hampton Inn, right? But we have made it to the jungle. So before I even had my first bite of food, we met 3 characters. So this place is awesome. The only thing I wish they had here is Donald. That would make it over the top. So do you approve of this message?
I approve.
So this is a video over here, Chip. So say hi to all your adoring fans. So I've got to ask, where's your jacket and where's your hat, your Rescue Rangers hat? Are you guys going on any adventures today? No. Yeah, maybe. I mean, just did you make the cinnamon roll? It was fantastic.
For making breakfast.
Yep.
Think about how early he had to make all that.
Yeah, Dale already had some, so I'm sorry he didn't leave you much. Yep. Yep. You better go get him. Take him out.
Okay.
This place is really good for the price. If you like sugar, wholesome breakfasts, this is your stop. Breakfast has arrived.
I just asked for hot sauce because I'm a loser.
All these condiments, so that's chocolate, salsa, ketchup, syrup. And she says, "Do you have any hot sauce?" So many Mickey waffles. And you got yours.
I'm playing with my food.
Don't do that. Mickey waffle. But this whole thing of putting eyepiece in Epcot needs to stop. Why is Rapunzel's frying pan here? Like, I don't even know.
Bye, Dale.
You did a good job taste testing. The food was outstanding. Yeah, trust me. I mean, we've only been here for 5 seconds, and this is what our food looks like. High five.
Oh, do I get a high five too? Oh, I'll get a pet.
Oh, you got leg action. Way to go. Awesome. Hal, what amazing thing just happened?
I got to Pluto Snoot.
And there's the star of the show. Yep.
Okay.
I've got to ask, why is it Mickey waffles and not chip waffles? Right? You should make a petition going around. I'm sure everyone would sign because the chipmunks are better, right?
I think we should have chocolate chip waffles.
There you go. Yep, he's hungry just thinking about it. So have you pestered Donald yet this morning? No? Well, make sure you give him heck for us, okay? Thank you, thank you.
So, I tapped out on eating. Robbie is still working on a second round of Mickey waffles because they're that good.
Mickey lent me his ear.
Anyways, I didn't want to be sick, but my favorite part was probably the cinnamon roll and the fruit. Like the strawberries with the cinnamon roll was super tasty. Also the pug juice is really good and the coffee is really good. So I had some scrambled eggs with salsa and hot sauce because I like it spicy. I had to ask for the Tabasco because they don't bring it at first. So, but they do have it at Tabasco. They also have bacon and tater tots, and those, like, everything was good. Everything was as expected. It was delicious.
I threw in this one. I'm so full. It was so good. I'm with Hal. The cinnamon roll was fantastic. If you like cinnamon rolls, the breakfast is breakfast food, so it's all you care to enjoy on Mickey waffles, and we enjoyed several. But I would definitely do this again. Price point, we use the dining plan, so had we not used the dining plan, this would have been $87 with tax. So it is a little pricey if you're paying out of pocket, but if you do the dining plan, it is well worth it. Because where else you eat Mickey, Chip 'n Dale, and Pluto.
And they've come to our table multiple times and interacted with us each time, been great. Sometimes if you don't have children, like the character meets at breakfast at other meals can be awkward, but it was super fun. And they interacted with each other, like they kind of like run into each other in the walkway here, and it was really cute to see. Our host, Marcus, was wonderful. He was a great server.
So this is what we're looking at. So what did the buffalo say to its child before sending it off to school? Bye, son. There's a boat. See it, pupper? There's the chicken. I'm sad we didn't get to sit here and creep in on that window. Next time. That was fantastic. I will definitely be doing that again. So, now it's time to ride Soarin. Don't forget about these little beauties. This morning has been perfect, so just a pro tip. If you make an early breakfast reservations for Garden Grill, and you time it right, you get off and you can just walk on Soarin. So we did it first. It's the first time we've ever done it, but we had another first time first. We rode Soarin on the top. The only issue is I requested it so we got clear over on the end, and we were in column C, so we were on the very end of the screen, and everything sort of bowed towards the middle, sort of made the Eiffel Tower look really weird. But we had a good time nonetheless. So Hal is doing a little bit of shopping, and then we are going to be getting on our fast pass for Living with the Land. Hey Hallie, raise your hand. And I'll raise mine, and we're gonna wave goodbye to our water bottle that popped out.
There's the Garden Grill. That's where we have breakfast. That scarecrow is made of nightmares.
Of all the forces at work on the land,
learning to produce food on desert seacoasts by developing and planting crops that thrive on salt water. In Japan, we're learning that by mixing leaves and other living materials into our soil, we can make farmland more fertile.
Who lost a water bottle? Not us. Definitely not us.
Here at Epcot, we're learning.
Sir, please keep your hands and arms inside the boat at all times. So, this video was going to be called We Had Breakfast at Garden Grill, but now it's going to be called Our Water Bottle Took a Swim on Living with the Land. So Robbie, why don't you tell us about it?
So, our water bottle has this lovely clip thing here that we typically put in the little pocket and clip it to the tie, so that way there's no way it's gonna fall out. Well, I set the backpack down and apparently it's on a ledge and popped it out, landed right in the water. So
right in front of our boat.
Yep, because we were in the front row and just started floating down the river. I said, "Sir," and the guy goes,
and the cast member looks over and he goes,
we're gonna have to wash it because there's gunk all up in the lid and stuff that got washed up in there. But
yeah,
it literally was floating in front of us because it was empty.
It did not go through a UV filter before it hit.
So next up, I don't know what we're doing because our fast pass for test track starts in like 10 minutes. So
yeah, so I think we're gonna head over that way. But I think that this will be a trip on Living with the Land that I will never forget.